But anyway, how's the day treating you, mate? Good?
Good, mate. Yeah. A couple of interesting calls today as we spoke on the phone. Someone trying to take legal action against someone who's subcontracted on the basis that it's unfair dismissal or constructive dismissal or some nonsense like that.
Okay. So, go on. Sorry, go on.
Well, yeah, I mean, it's what we talked about. If you're a subcontractor and you can't take the person who's giving you work to court for constructive dismissal because you're not employed by them. I mean, am I missing something here?
I don't think so. So hang on a minute then, let me get this right. So hypothetically then, you subcontracted me to do some work for you.
Yeah.
And it's very specific about what work I'm doing for you within the casual subcontracted basis, because that suits us both. Yeah.
Yeah.
Something hasn't gone as according to plan, and now I'm going to sue you.
Yeah, because I've said you can't work for me anymore.
Okay, that's interesting then. So in my mind, then let me see how's that supposed to work then, apart from the fact I'm not happy about the fact I can't work for you anymore. that's my rationale, is it? That's my legal basis.
We'll take this as an example, which would be the standard one. Let's say I sent you to do a job. You went there and you were saying, oh, well, don't bother dealing with NFPS and Mark, here's my phone number. Yeah, but in the contract it says if you do anything like that, then you're in breach of contract, which is a lot of contracts have. Or it could be inappropriate behaviour. Someone behaving or saying things that are inappropriate, that's upsetting other people, and a complaint's made. And I go, right, mate, I've got 3 statements here from people you obviously got for something. I'm sorry, but I'm not using anymore.
So in other words, then I'm potentially trying to deflect something away from you then, which I know is coming around the corner.
Yeah. So what you're trying to do is say, well, that's not fair. I'm going to sue you for constructive dismissal or unfair dismissal or wrongful dismissal, whatever you want to call the damn thing.
No, sorry, that's a nonsense. I'm sorry. That's just. Why bother to have contracts or anything at all then, really, on that basis?
Yeah. You could even try and sue me for breach of contract that you breached. That would be a good one.
We need to take this show to 11 o'clock at night because we've just started and this could go down a pathway which is over 18s only if we keep going like this.
Mate, honestly, it's such a bizarre thing, isn't it? The industry we're in.
Well, we spoke about this lots, but it's suddenly, dare I use it, and I will, old school speak, if somebody spat the dummy out, so to speak, then there was a time, wasn't it, that you and I, for example, would have a face-to-face or a phone call and go, Mark, da-da-da-da-da, you go, Travell, da-da-da-da-da. Ultimately, we'd agree to disagree on a few points, but we'd move on. Whereas now, it's a case of, I haven't even spat my dummy out. I actually feel aggrieved that you've got something better than me and I'm jealous, and therefore I'm going to take it out on you. Yeah, that's the stage we're reaching, isn't it? Pretty much.
Yeah. Basically, you're not paying me for work I'm going to screw up for you. So I'm going to take you to court for it. So you're going to take me to court for work I'm not giving you.
Sorry, I'm making a note on here. I'm just going to reread the Equalities Act, mate, and make sure, isn't it, that you're treating me fairly.
I treat you fairly. I give you exactly the same amount of abuse I'll give anyone else.
Exactly right. I know that's in their contracts as well.